Alright, my name is Detective Chippendale. This is Detective St. Jean. Okay. Are you hurting anyone?
It doesn't matter.
How come it doesn't matter? I'm concerned with you. How old are you?
About 22.
You're
2 days.
22? 2 days?
Yep.
Have you read and write in the English language, right?
Of course.
Okay. Did you go to school here?
Yeah, I've been in this country for 8 years.
8 years? Okay. Detective St. Jean he just has to read you something real quick, okay?
Have you ever been read your Miranda rights before?
What?
Have you ever been read your Miranda warning before? Do you know what that is?
What is that?
Your rights? Have you ever been read your rights before?
You watch TV?
Not really.
Alright. Have you ever seen cop shows and movies? So a Miranda
That's
warning.
how I know how to get away from you real well.
Yeah. So he just has to read this to you and you can just listen up, okay?
So I'm going to go step by step, and I'll ask you to explain to me what you think that line means, and we'll go back and forth, and I'll answer any questions you have if you don't understand something, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand what that means?
I do.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand what that means?
I do.
You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her present with you before and during questioning. Do you understand what that means?
Yeah.
If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you at no cost to you before and during questioning if you wish. Do you understand what that means?
Yep.
You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand what that means?
Yep.
Do you understand each of these rights that I've explained to you? Do you have any questions?
Yeah, I do. I don't have any question.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
So we'd like you to have your side of the story and see what happened.
It's too complicated.
Well, I mean, we're here to listen. I know it was a rough night last night, but we just wanted, somebody has to tell your side of the story. So was it, I'm sure there's several different reasons why this happened.
There is.
So we just want to hear your side. So if you want to talk to us,
Why?
because you know what, you're a human being, okay? You deserve to tell your side of the story. So when I go to that house, it's not like you're not that bad. You're not that bad of a kid. Come on.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know you. Well, let me get to know you. Do you need anybody to look at those scratches or anything? Okay.
We just met you, man. We don't know your backstory, we don't know your history. We're trying to get to know you and figure out what happened, and then we very much like to hear your side of the story so we can, figure out how we can help you and if there's anything that can explain what happened last night.
Are you hungry?
Will be. Will be.
You will be, you said?
Yeah, because I was in Savannah last night.
Okay. Do you want a sandwich or something?
That would be nice.
Okay. We'll get you one. So look, I have kids that are around your age also. So I try to treat everybody like I would want somebody to treat my kids. You understand? So whatever happened last night, It's alright to talk about it.
I'm not the one to talk about it.
No.
I'm not the type of young man that will talk about it.
You what? I'm sorry, I didn't.
I'm not the type of young man that will talk about it.
No. You don't want to give your side of the story.
It was wrong, that's it.
Well, I know it's wrong, but here, take a minute and you want to eat, or you want to. It's like a breakfast sandwich. Take a deep breath. It's okay to talk about it.
I promise you it would feel a lot better to talk about it. I know you may not think that right now, but
I'm not like that. If you want to understand anything, you have to understand that. Doesn't make me feel better to talk about it.
well, help us understand, what's going through your mind right now. What's going on with you? Like we just met you, man. I don't know you from Adam. Just we want to hear your story and hear how this came to be, and just to give your side of the story of what happened, basically. Like, no one has talked to you yet.
Yeah, but you're just a bunch of Americans, so you will not understand.
Well, try to help me understand.
Well, I know you're from the Ukraine, right?
Yeah.
And I know that, do you have family over there still?
No.
Or was over there?
It was.
And I know the war is real devastating over there. Did you lose family over there? Do you ever talk to them?
No. Why does it matter?
I'm just making conversation, that's it. Just want to see if talking might be able to help you. At least for a little bit.
How is it going to help me?
How? Well,
How would it help me?
you're not going to keep it bottled up inside. So it's like shaking up a Coke bottle, and as you let it out.
Huh? What happened last night? Shaking up a Coke bottle you talk about.
And that's what happened. So did you not get along with your parents?
Doesn't matter.
Well, it does matter. I mean,
It's none of your problems, Me talking about it doesn't make me feel better. I don't know what. If you want to understand anything, why don't you understand it?
I do.
Not all the people are the same.
No, and I get it. But,
I don't keep it bottled up inside.
no. Well, something happened last night. Either you guys argued.
There's a lot of things that happen.
Does it stem from way before last night, or?
Has nothing to do with it. Look, you never came here, right? Should have stayed in Ukraine.
You should have stayed in Ukraine.
Yeah. This country is a shithole.
So what don't you like about this country?
Every American asks me that. You blind? You blind?
Well, probably because I was born here, so.
Yeah, well, you've been fooled. You don't know nothing about what's wrong with this country.
Well, why don't you tell me? Because maybe I can open my eyes to how you see.
Well, it doesn't matter.
Because perspective, man.
Perspective or facts?
Well, your perspective, and it could lead to facts.
Yeah, my perspective or the truth that you don't see is the reason.
Oh, we're not perfect.
It's not the matter.
Yeah. So did you get adopted by your parents here?
Yep.
How old were you?
15, 16.
15 or 16. Did you know your neighbors down the street?
I don't give a shit about neighbors.
You used to go over there and he used to use his tools or something?
Working on your car?
Yeah, but it doesn't mean I really care about neighbors, though. I'm just using people.
Yeah. Is that what you did last night? You used your parents?
No. So you're making an assumption.
Well, you said you used people.
Yeah, because there's not that good people, many good people around, so I don't care.
Were your parents good? Did they hurt you?
It's complicated to say. I don't know why you're asking me this.
Well, because, we have a job to do, so we're trying to see what your side of the story is. Is it something that set you off, like your parents got in your face? Were you protecting yourself? There's so many different options. Or you just, okay, so give me the opportunity to talk to you and find out, what you feel about everything. I'm a people person. I like to talk to people.
So what happened last night that made you want to do something? Help me understand what happened last night.
Rage.
What? Rage has to come from somewhere,
Yeah.
there has to be some reason. It's a lot of rage to keep bottled up.
Right?
Did your parents push you into the rage?
We weren't really like family anymore.
They weren't family anymore?
Yeah,
Did they change?
We've been through so much shit.
Yeah.
We've been arguing and going back and forth.
About what? What
Family issues.
okay. What do you do for work or hobbies and stuff?
Hobbies.
Like you working right now?
Yeah, not right now.
Right.
What do you like?
Sure. I'm not gonna be doing anything for
What do you like to do?
everything.
So you are feeling, you are getting upset about what happened last night. So that means that you have,
I mean, it's the question that you asked me.
well, why don't you ask us
It's
the
like-
questions?
It's like what I want to do, or what I like to do, or where I work.
Well, we
We're not robots, man.
want to get to know you.
That's not what I meant. You totally misunderstood what I meant.
What did you mean? I don't want to misunderstand what you.
I guess I don't know what to say.
Take your time. We're in no rush. That could have a lot to do with it.
Well, I don't want to lie, so
Well, I'm glad that you're not going to lie. If you want to eat, you can take a break. You want to eat?
I don't care to eat.
Okay. We can get you more water if you need.
Look, what do you want to understand?
I want to understand you. I want to hear what you were feeling. So, last night, what led up to last night?
Dealing with a lot. It's probably too much to explain this.
I promise you, I got nothing but time,
Yeah, right, me too.
and I'm willing to hear you talk about it. I want to hear what you're going through. I want to hear what led up to last night. Why it led up to last night. What's going through your head? Why are you feeling the way you're feeling? Things that have happened to you that made you feel that way.
I mean, look, you asked me what caused it last night.
Mm-hmm.
It was just maybe it was kind of, well, how do I explain this? it's kind of, it's hard to explain because you sit there and you think you understand me, but I don't think you do.
Well,
And I'm not saying this because I want you to understand me. I'm saying this because most people I talk to, they don't understand shit.
well, why don't you try us out? Because we've heard a lot of stories, especially in our career.
We talk to a lot of people who
So-
are not your average, you know.
Sometimes it's,
Why are we on camera?
well, everything, it's for your safety and our safety, so. And it just has to be, because we're in Venice Police Department's area, so it's however they want to do
What I want to know is how did you find me?
it. I think they just came up upon you, so I think it was just out of luck.
You think?
Yeah, I think that,
Are you not found right now?
no, not mine. I think that they, Venice Police Department was just checking the store, and they saw you, and
Right?
that's it. But you evaded us for many hours. So you're pretty good at what you were doing. So either you studied how to avoid cops or
I don't study that.
No.
Instincts.
just instincts. Did you have shoes or no?
Yeah, they took my shoes off.
Okay.
No, it was a big threat.
Well, it's probably their protocol. Did they have shoelaces?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shoelaces.
So it's probably just their protocol. So you didn't get hurt or anything like that. I know you have a lot of scratches and stuff like that. It's probably running through the woods, right?
Yeah, it's been through a few canals too.
Yeah. Are you wet?
The socks are wet.
You can take them off if you want, but I don't know what. So look, there's no easy way around this, Dima. Okay. It's either your side of the story or we just go with what the scene says. But I think that there's a lot more to it.
There is.
So why don't you just try to see if we can understand what,
But what does it get us?
I don't know what it's gonna get us. Maybe us trying to say, well, we could see that happening the way it did. You know,
To give an explanation of what happened last night, because right now we don't have it. We just have what we can see and what's there.
It's not that bad, you know. It has a lot to do with everything. It has a lot to do with everything that I've been through. The anger that's inside.
you know,
All the shit that I've seen.
What kind of shit have you seen?
I don't know, like, I mean, it might not make sense. I mean, like,
Trying to
what, so you see this scene from what happened, and like, why do you have to come in here and ask me about it? If you, like, where does it get us if you don't ask me, or, like, what's the point of this?
you have to understand that, you know, we're here to do a job. I'm trying to treat you just like I would treat anybody else.
That's fine. So, like, we have this supposed conversation, like, it's just to get the other side of the stories, just about it.
You talking about the conversation we're having right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
We don't have their side of the story. But we'd like to get yours.
and the other thing is like, I mean, do you call them mom and dad or do you call them something else?
Used to.
Used to? So, you want to walk us through, or the other thing is, I'm worried about where did you put the knife? Because I don't want any kids or anything coming across it. Did you use a knife or was it something else?
It wasn't.
It was a knife. Do you know what kind of knife it was?
Yeah, the kitchen knife.
The kitchen knife? The silver handled one?
Yeah, I dropped the first one and then I went to grab the second one.
Did you use the big knife or the steak knives?
Steak knife.
The steak knife? So do you know where you dropped it or?
No.
Do you know if you took it with you or?
No, I didn't take it with me.
Do you know if you threw it in the woods or is it in the house?
You asked me, it's like, it sounds dumb, but you asked me, do I know if I threw it in the woods? I didn't take it with me. It was happening and I dropped it. And after I had it, and I went grabbing another one. It was hard to understand.
Did it break off?
Break what up?
The knife.
What made you use the second one? Is what he's trying to get at.
That's why I started.
So,
Where did it start? The bedroom? The living room?
Yep.
was your dad sleeping?
Yep.
Did you guys have a fight prior to this?
No.
It just raged?
It's a lot of things.
What did you think about last night?
It's like thinking, like I don't like the situation. I don't like the people I'm with, so I'm just gonna kill them.
So you said that if you don't like the people that you're with, you want to kill them?
Not anybody. I mean, has a lot to do with like the way I am and the way I see things,
Mm-hmm.
personal reasons, but like observations and like you said, you want to try to understand. It's like it's hard to explain.
Mm-hmm. So have you had these thoughts for most of your life as a
No,
no?
just came up because of all the anchor and all the.
So-
Yeah, I want to go back to the grind.
Yeah.
That's the reason that.
Did you ask them? Did you say that to your parents that you were going to go back to Ukraine? And did they put up a fight with you or something?
No, it's not that.
No.
No, personally, I want to go back to the grind because I'm sick and tired of learning this notion, put it on charges.
Yeah. I hear you.
So what made you go in there and have an altercation with your dad?
It was not an altercation.
What happened when you went to the bedroom? Your dad was sleeping. What happened?
Just stabbing.
What was he doing?
What do you mean?
Was he yelling or did he wake up after you stabbed him?
You're asking kind of weird questions.
Well, I mean, did he start fighting you? Because we know that he got out of bed somehow.
Yeah, you want me to stop?
Yeah. Do you know where you stabbed him first?
I was dark.
Where was your mom at?
Right there.
She was next to him? Did she wake up?
Yep.
So, you do know that, like, we're trying to piece this together, okay? So, your dad starts getting up out of bed,
No, he wasn't. He was sleeping.
okay? And you stabbed him.
Yep.
Do you remember how many times?
Countless.
I'm sorry?
Countless.
Countless times? Did he ever get out of bed?
Yeah.
And then what? Did you push him against the wall? Or did he fall?
Just bleeding out. Don't around the house. Trying to fight me back.
Okay. Did you stab him out in the living room or
Yeah.
leaving out of the bedroom?
Yep.
Where was your mom at?
Going around the neighborhood asking for help.
Was she on the phone?
Possibly. Some called the police.
Did she hit you or anything or try to fight you off or?
She's a woman. What do you think she's gonna do?
Well, I can tell you that if, probably most women will either run or they're gonna fight back.
I tried to fight back, but there's not much you can do.
Right. So,
Did she try to fight you back?
and then, did you stab her?
You already know I stabbed both of them. You're asking me questions that are obvious. You questions that you already know.
I don't know for sure what happened there. That's
Well, you know that I stabbed both of them. You're asking me did I stab her? You know I did.
I mean, a lot of things could happen there. I don't know.
What happened when she ran out? Did she go out the front door?
Yep.
Did you close the door behind her, or did you?
I told her to get back inside.
And she kept going?
No, she went back inside.
At one point, did she go to the neighbors?
Yeah, that's when she went out. Sound cold?
Where was your dad at that point?
Dead.
Where at?
On the living room floor.
Did he fall into the couch a couple times or no?
Possibly. Yeah, I think he did. Can't remember.
Did he say
I
anything?
mean, this question's kind of, like, what, you're trying to get my side of the story, but you basically get an idea of what this is.
Mm-hmm.
So you're trying to get my side of the story, but I just brutally stabbed one of the parents. What is there to get?
When your mom came back in the house, what happened?
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah, I know. But we know that you stabbed your dad to death. But your mom did leave to go to the neighbors. Did you go back out there to get her? Or
Yes.
So did you run across the grass or?
Yes.
And you yelled at her?
No, I said, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Where was she at that point? Do you remember?
He was
In the driveway, front door, or what? Driveway.
So she comes back. Did she listen to you? She comes back. Do you guys talk at all?
Yeah, I tried to talk to her.
How did that conversation go?
It was a monologue.
So did you stab her already at that time? At that point?
After I finished saying what I had to say.
What's that?
After I finished saying what I had to say.
After you said what you had to say to her, then you stabbed her?
Yes.
Where?
A lot of places, like don't you already notice?
Did you cut her throat?
No, just stabbed her.
You stabbed her in the throat? And she lay right there?
No, she terrified me back.
Where was she where was your mom when you stabbed her? Were you guys in the house at that point? Did you start outside?
In the house.
All the times that you stabbed your mom was inside the house?
Yep.
Okay. Where at? In the living room, the bedroom, kitchen?
Yeah.
Was she sitting on the couch or no?
Yep.
Which couch, the small one or the big one?
Small.
Were you sitting there with her?
I was standing up.
And you were talking to her, and
Yeah.
what was she saying back?
Pretty much nothing.
She wasn't crying, pleading for her life or anything.
She was.
She was. So you stabbed her in the throat? Was that the last time you stabbed her? Or you kept stabbing her?
Kept stabbing.
At one point, did you go get the other knife?
When I lost the first one.
Was that on your father?
Yep.
So it's just the steak knives?
Yep.
Where was the dog at?
In the bedroom.
In the master bedroom?
Yeah. I wouldn't kill a dog because there's no reason to kill a dog.
Yeah. What's the dog's name?
Sparkle.
Sparkle. Okay.
What was the reason to kill your parents?
There's many reasons.
Give us one reason.
I don't like him.
What did they do to make you not like them? I don't know. I'm asking. I don't live your life. I don't live with you guys.
I mean, yeah. But I was going to tell you that. Well, yeah, in America, yeah, you get whatever you want. Life's easy, but I don't see it like that. It's like,
How do you see it? Help me understand.
well, I'm basically nobody coming from nowhere.
And that's that one of your parents adopted you?
No, that wasn't my biological mother. It was a long time ago. Just
Okay.
what I'm basically saying is the way I see things is not lining up with. I mean, I'm not trying to tell you that I try to control my parents. That's not what it is. I'm not that fucked up in the head, But it's just my adopted parents really never taught me anything to.
They never taught you anything, you said?
Yeah, it's like I feel like I'm like a self-learner, like I basically tell myself like what to do, what not to do, and like when I first came to this country, I was like, I didn't like the way I was treated, and yeah, I misbehave a lot, but that has nothing to do. After I got older, it's like I said, it's stupid.
Do they
The
not?
reason it's stupid. The reason that I killed him is stupid.
Yeah. So did they adopt you from Ukraine?
Foster care.
Foster care. So you came over here and was put in foster care?
No, I was foster care because my real mother died, and my family picked me up, and then the truth is they didn't want to put up with me for some reason.
Mm-hmm.
Your real family just want to put you in foster care for everybody.
Did your adoptive family love you? Like, did it seem like it? Or?
Yeah, they love me, but at the same time,
At the same time,
it was not always about love and family. It was like controlling and
them controlling you, or
sometimes.
how so? Like, physically, or
No,
mentally, or
like,
telling you what you can and can't do,
like, who's the household of the house? Who's the household in the house?
or I mean,
A man that,
yeah,
right?
it's different from whoever you ask.
It's different where we ask because this country's so fucked up, but the answer is man. And my mom and my adopted mom was, sometimes act like she's the household.
Mm-hmm.
The house, the
Head of the
head
household.
of the household.
Yeah.
Whatever.
I mean, sometimes women, they feel like.
Yeah, I know.
So did that set you off?
No, it was just like I was just telling you, there's just many reasons.
Yeah, it just.
That's just one of the reasons.
Something had to set you over the edge, man, about last night with your dad, like, for you to go in there, your adopted dad to go in there and do what you did. Like, what?
It's a lot of
what was
shit.
that? What?
It's some things don't relate to it. It's
Like what?
like just being tired of, like I just said, being sick and tired of putting up to bullshit that this country has to offer.
Well, when you made you take that out on your parents, so why did it lead to that? What happened?
Because they're part of it.
Did you work yesterday?
Yep. 12-hour shift.
At King's Plastic?
Yep.
So when you came home,
Great person.
when you
Right.
came home, were you How are you feeling? Tired?
Yeah. I'm tired.
And you didn't want to be messed with?
I see what you're trying to say. It's not that.
No.
You weren't pissed off then or anything?
No, I was not pissed off at anything.
And did you do any drink any alcohol or do
Yeah, I
any
did.
drugs?
I drank some alcohol.
What'd you have?
Whiskey.
Whiskey. Do you drink whiskey straight or
Straight.
you put it in a glass with
Yeah.
ice or?
No, just
straight.
Cigarette.
And how much do you usually drink? Or how much did you drink last
I can
night?
drink a lot or I can drink a little. Yesterday was not. I didn't drink a lot yesterday.
No.
But it has nothing to do with what happened.
Okay, so,
You might think it does because what? Alcohol doesn't affect on your mind, but I've been mad for a long time now. There's nothing to
okay, so I was just trying to get at, were you drunk and they pissed you off and you just lost your cool? Or you weren't drunk and you just lost your cool?
Like I said,
The alcohol didn't affect you.
it's like, I lost my cool many times, but not to this one.
Where were you when you lost your cool?
Sit in my car drinking. It's not, alcohol, alcohol just brings out the true me, it's not like, my anger, I try to control my anger when I'm not drinking, but, alcohol, it doesn't, it just makes me, basically makes me how I really, because I've been angry for a long time, but alcohol just, or cigarettes, I smoke cigarettes, and I'm sitting in, I'm so pissed off about everything.
So you're sitting in your car outside. Help me paint a picture. You're sitting in your car outside. You're pissed off. You're steaming off some. Is that when you decide to get out of your car and go inside?
Yeah.
And you go inside. And do you go straight to the kitchen?
Do you know
What happens when you go inside?
where
do you go?
Why are you asking that? What is it?
Well,
I'm trying to understand the process of what happened.
You go to my bathroom, man.
You went in your bedroom. And then what happened?
Well, I know what I'm trying to do, so I get over it.
so were you having those thoughts when you were in the bedroom and that?
Yep.
Did they start while you were in the car?
Yep.
So you start having the thoughts in the car, you go into the house, you go into your bedroom, and you continue to have the thoughts, and what happens at that point?
Well, you know what happens.
Yeah, but did something trigger it or did you just say, I'm doing it?
I said, I'm doing
So you go over to the kitchen and you get the knife out of the butcher block?
Yeah.
And then you went right straight to your dad?
it. Mm-hmm.
Did you pick your dad because you knew that you have to disable him first?
Yeah.
And was mom sleeping in bed next to dad?
Yeah. Sounds crazy, doesn't it?
Well, it's your story, so
Well, it's still a pretty easy story. Like I just said, it's stupid. The reason for why I did this is stupid.
Was your dad able to get back at you in any way? Like, was he able to manhandle you at all, or no?
Try to. No, I'm struggling.
So he gets up out of bed, and you guys have like a fist fight, or like he's trying to grab onto you, or like how does that all happen?
You just blow over him, you can't hold on.
He's still trying to grab you.
Yeah, his blood is. You can't hold on to him.
And how did it go? How did it lead to the living room?
Trying to get away from me, I guess.
Okay. You followed him into the living room?
Yep. I know I really had good family before I came to this country, and then when I came here, I was already basically on my own, with my own world inside my head, and you come here and you have to put up with somebody else. Because I don't know these people, they're strangers, they say they want to bring you into your family, but where I come from, it's not that easy to just become a family.
When did you get adopted? How old were you?
2016?
16.
Well, 2016.
Oh, okay. Did you go to Northport High?
Yeah, I dropped out.
Oh, you dropped out. What grade did you drop out in? 10? Did you get in trouble there or anything?
No, the shit that they try to teach you in high school is just unacceptable, so I dropped out. Like, you said you open your eyes over what? Do you know what the stuff they teach in high school?
Yeah, I do. And
There you go.
it's pretty atrocious. But
Well, I saw that when I first went to high school, and I don't do it.
yeah. Now, did you know English before you came to this country, or
No.
No?
I did not, because I didn't like learning English.
Yeah.
We had English classes that I could learn, but it was fun.
So when did you start talking fluent English?
I started talking with Americans and when I got fluent.
Yeah, and you can still talk. Is it Ukraine or is it?
Ukraine? Yeah, I can try. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Russian. I've been speaking Russian too.
Okay. You speak any other languages?
No.
No. So did you try cleaning up?
No.
Because
Clean up the knife and put it back.
you cleaned up the knife and put it back. So there was 2 knives in there? Or was the whole?
2 steak knives, 2 dressed from wash.
Okay.
Did you wash both knives and put them back?
I wasn't trying to find the other one. I should.
The first one?
Well, the thought was going through my head is I should have left earlier, because I know the area, and I could have got away from police.
Mm-hmm.
I could have got away from police chasing me, because I knew the area, and when I was driving on the highway, I knew what I should have done, but I did. I still got away from it.
So you did see the police there?
Yeah, they pulled up from from everywhere.
Did you hear what the police officer said to you?
I don't give a shit.
No, but I meant,
I didn't, I
Did
heard
you say
something.
something to you?
I heard something.
Okay.
So
So the knife that you cleaned off and put back in the butcher's block, do you think that was the first one or the second one?
Like the way you asked me that question, do I think that was the first one? That was, well, maybe, yeah, I guess I get it the way you asked me that, but same time, it's like, I know it was the second one,
Okay.
so I couldn't find the first one.
Mm-hmm. Did you get cut? In your hands?
Because trying to stab somebody with a steak knife the way I was doing it, you hurt yourself too.
Is it bad? The cuts to your hands?
It's not that bad.
Did you get it in there?
Yeah.
And then, yeah.
How were you stabbing them? Was it just going
Different
top
ways.
to bottom? Do you mind showing me?
I mean, it was like, sometimes I would barely hold a knife and still stab them, It's whatever.
Did you get a lot of blood on you?
Yep.
Did you try to rinse it off or?
See it right now. Well, I rinsed most of it off. Like I said, I was trying to, because I know how fast police respond, so I was trying to get away as fast as I can, but it wasn't like, no, I could have actually drove on a highway without police chasing me,
Mm-hmm.
but washed myself off. No, I had to swim in a few canals, that's how I got everything washed off.
Okay.
Get away, because I was watching helicopter in Scotland. And that's the hardest thing to get away from.
Did you expect to meet a cop outside?
I don't give a shit, I just get on my car and leave.
No, I know that. I didn't know.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did it because I know that someone called. Someone had to call. It is messed up though. You know it and I know
What you did?
it. Yeah.
So where were you gonna go to? Like,
I was gonna try and go to like Orlando port and try to find some kind of ship and get on and leave.
mhm.
Like sneak into the ship because I just want to get to the party.
So were you gonna try to go back to the Ukraine or?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's what I've been trying to do. You know, we had a lot of family issues and I really wanted to.
God.
I really want us to be family again because we were not really like one.
Yeah.
Did you guys get, like at first, you
We
were
got along
alright,
first.
and then
Yeah, it was alright first.
what happened that you guys kind of separated a little bit, or went through some issues?
It's just the past.
Like your past, their past?
No, our past. It is just, like I said, it's too complicated to explain. I don't even feel right to explain. But it's the past that triggers me.
Did they ever hurt you?
No.
Okay. I was just concerned about that because, sometimes people will adopt or foster and then they'll
Abuse.
Yeah.
So, obviously, we know your side of the story and what happened, but I'd really like to know if you would tell me some of the things that specifically made you feel that way, like what led up to that. I know you said a couple of things, your past, when you were younger, just your childhood and stuff like that, but what are the other things specifically with your parents that caused you to explode?
I honestly don't know how to explain that. Try to think about it.
Are you willing to try?
I'm trying right now.
Okay.
I don't know.
I know it's eating at you, man. But I can tell some stuff happened. There's something that's making you feel that way.
Yeah, it's like I was telling you, it's other stuff that's not related to yesterday's situation that made me do it.
Yeah, I know you told me that, and I remember that. I'm curious as to what, I want to know what the hell was leading you up that bad. What happened between you guys? Like,
Doesn't
how
have
bad was
to
your
do with
relationship? Like, what?
I'm talking about the past. No, we just had a bunch of arguments.
Recently? How
They
recently?
tell you, like, that's it, he's gonna call police on me. They say he's gonna try to call police if I don't leave. Like I said, the part that I'm not telling you is, I'm not a good kid. I was telling you I was not raised right. And I've been misbehaving and not listening and not doing what I'm told. And, we had all those family issues. But it was half me and half him.
That makes sense, man. I know nothing's one-sided, There's
Sometimes
two sides to a story,
Yeah, because I know that I heard, like, I was mad at, they were mad at me too, and I was mad at them. I was like, my mom, cares about me more than my dad does, and then he says that I don't do marriage, because apparently not.
He said that you ruined their marriage?
Yeah, because, your mom loves you more than your dad, and then she tries to spend more time with you when your dad is not, and it looks like I don't know.
Do you think that's what happened?
No,
Were they going through rough times too?
they weren't rough times because they had rough times since the first came.
So did they argue a lot?
Because of me, yeah, it was all
Just about you?
yeah, because,
Who would stand up for you?
parents, mom would.
Mom would?
parenting issues.
Yeah.
I had parenting issues too, and they knew it too, because we had conversations with them.
Were they from Florida?
No,
Where are they from?
mom's from my dad's from Massachusetts.
Did they get married or meet down here? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah. How long were they married? Do you know? 20-something years.
Probably.
And were they real estate agents or?
Yeah, when I first came here, doing the house.
Mom and dad?
Yeah, that was one of the first things I had to do when I came here, go doing on houses, run places and selling houses.
Mm-hmm.
What does mom do now?
What?
What does mom do now? Like, what does she do for work now?
What she did for work?
Yeah.
I don't know, like help advertise properties, I think. Put them out there so people.
So your mom and dad were both doing real estate still?
Somewhat.
Okay.
Did they scratch you in the fight when you were stabbing?
Maybe, but it doesn't matter, I think.
Are these all from?
These are all from running away from police because I had to crawl to impossible bushes.
Yeah.
Bushes. But, yeah, I just telling you, my mom did like, basically, advertising properties for whoever, so they could see it.
Do you remember what your mom said at all last night when you guys were talking after you killed your dad?
She didn't say much.
What did she say? Do you remember?
Like I said, she didn't say much.
Did she say she loved you?
No. She didn't say that.
No.
Right.
Did she ask you to stop?
When?
At any point? When you guys were talking, yeah, I believe you said she was sitting on the couch.
Yeah, she
You were
asked me to
sitting there
stop.
talking to her. What did she say to you then?
She said I'm bleeding cold ambulance.
What did you tell her?
I just ignored her, like, why would I do that?
Did you stab her again after that?
Yep.
Do you remember where?
No, it's just all over the place.
But you weren't gonna call for an ambulance?
Why would I?
I don't know, just want to ask.
No, I wouldn't.
So I think what Detective St. Jean's trying to get at was, we know that you were having problems with your dad. Your mom stuck up for you whenever the arguments were going. So we
have
did.
great family issues.
Yeah, but
Sometimes.
so did you have like a feeling of remorse after you stabbed your mom and she's asking for an ambulance?
No,
You didn't feel anything? Did you want to make sure that she was dead before you left, so you were hoping to get away with it?
No, it's not the case.
How did you end up on the couch to?
Going on the floor. I mean, you're asking very disturbing questions.
Disturbing questions?
Yes, disturbing.
Is this starting to get to you now?
Well, it's not like it's scaring to me, it's just, if you listen to the stuff that you're asking, why would you be asking that?
Again, we have a job to do and we have to make sure that everything matches up to the scene and what your side of the story is. Obviously, you raged out last night and this was boiling from probably the last month that you were here, right? Were you here a month?
It was going on for a long time.
Yeah. So last night, you sitting in your car, you started drinking a little bit, and you just came up with this, that you were going to do something then.
I came out before that.
After work?
No, No, it's good. Days before.
So what?
I had those tests before the case.
Days, months, what?
No, recently.
Okay. Is it because of all the fighting? And they didn't want you back in the house?
No, it's a lot of things.
Yeah, like everything, like a combination of everything.
Yes.
And you've been thinking about killing both of your parents for how long
I'm not sure. It's not. I don't.
now? Like a day?
I don't plan on it. Sit there and think about it all day long. It just comes up in my head and I go do it.
Was last night the first time that you actually thought about killing your parents?
No.
So you thought about it previous, but you didn't act on it, obviously. What made you come to that point last night that you were like, I'm done, this is over?
Because I don't really like to miss people. I don't really want to miss my parents, honestly. Because of,
Did you miss your parents? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
no, I try to get back with them and have, and it must be a family again, but it doesn't seem like it was,
Did you think you were back in a corner or something?
No.
Just it made you upset or what?
Yeah, everything's upset. Nothing's, feels like nothing's going right for me.
Yeah.
Which it is, but at the same time it's not.
There was a stab wound, I think, in your dad's leg. Did you?
Maybe accidental, I don't know.
Okay. But everything else was you meant to do.
How did your mom make it to? I know I've already asked you this, but we didn't really kind of elaborate on it. How did your mom make it from the couch to where she's laying on the floor?
She fell down.
She stood up and
Yeah.
did she crawl at all? Was she able to try to get away from you or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was she trying to crawl to your dad?
Possibly.
She had a towel there. Where did that towel come from?
That's how that was used. What was up on?
I'm sorry, what?
Oh, that towel on the floor, that's for the dog.
Oh, for the dog. Okay.
So the towel that was on the sink,
That was the towel that was used.
where'd you get that towel from?
Yeah.
Your bathroom?
Yeah.
Is that what the drops of blood on your bathroom floor was?
Blood was above me, yeah.
Yeah. Did you go anywhere else besides your bathroom and the master bedroom and the living room?
Did you go into my bed and make sure I grabbed it?
You went to your bedroom?
Yeah.
What'd you grab? Like a
Laptop, phone, money, and like drinks. If I want to have some in a while.
Mm-hmm. Where's all that stuff now?
Some car.
To the car. So you didn't get a chance to grab any of that stuff?
No, I just cut out the car and shut it on.
All right, Deputy, if you can collect the transcripts back from our jurors. You can turn the lights on, Fitz. I'll turn them on, actually, I got it.